Good morning! Araw ng Biyernes. Ngayon na yung appointment ko para sa aking kilay. Kilay is life. So, yan. On the way na kami. Dito, malapit na kami dumating. Mga 25 minutes siguro nandun na kami. So, ayan. Magiging pantay na siya. Hindi naman siya masyadong pangit tingnan. Pero medyo kailangan ng konting touch up. So, ayan. Ayan. Yung driver. Inaantok pa ako. Hindi ako nakapagkape kasi bawal magkape pag kukuha ng pag magpatato, ganyan sa kilay. Bawal magkape. So, ayan tuloy. Hindi ako nakapagkape. Antok. Mata ko parang gusto pang matulog eh. Bagel. Remember that bagel that I used to get from in Pennsylvania?
Yeah, but this
Toast. The toast one. Okay. Bibili si Paul ng bagels daw para breakfast. Mag-alas 10 na eh. Gusto pa rin niya pumunta sa tindahan. And parang I'm not feeling well, guys. Kagabi, grabe talaga yung headache ko ngayon. Yung boses ko parang naano siya. Oh! Let's see what kind of bagel he gets, guys. Let's wait for him. Mabilis lang. Here comes Paul with the bagel. Parang isang bagel lang yung binili niya. Just for me. Oh, where is he going? Okay. Which bagel is this?
multi-grain.
Multigrain, this one.
Their version of it.
Let's see. Let's open. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, look at that, guys. Let's have some. I wanna have a bite. Look at that. You know? They did not heat it up.
They did not heat it up.
I can't eat this in the car because I was gonna drop the grain. I'm going to drop. I actually dropped some. And I can't take it with me because I would be laying in bed. I thought I was coming.
I would text her or email her if she's not there after 10.
I just stay here, honey. Oh, that's her. Oh, no, that's not her. That's a different car.
But that's open.
Yeah, that's open from inside. Alright, I'm gonna go. I'll text you when I'm done,
Yep,
okay?
that's all.
Alright. Let's go, guys. Parang bukas yata. Oh, alright. Bukas pala. 8. Hi guys! All done! Look at my eyebrows. She's so nice. Oh my god, she did a good job, guys. Look at that. So clean and darker than before. And then, tinakpan niya yung mga patches. It was patchy, guys. Like, some of this side here have colors. Other doesn't have color. But now it's even. It's even color. And then, sabi niya, hindi daw to magpipil. Which, yeah, hindi naman to magpipil, guys, kasi touch up na lang. But it's nice, it's good, and I love it. So many people.
The bowl, not the salad. It's the bowl, the rice.
The bowl with the rice. I'm gonna try that one. Which
You
one
had
is
it
it?
the other day. That's the one I brought home.
Ito ang aking lunch, guys. Binilhan ako ni Paul Mexican food. So ngayon, uuwi na kami sa bahay. It's lunchtime, mag-aalas 12 na. Let's go. Bago kami uuwi sa bahay, Gustong tumingin ni Paul ng ano guys. Yung lighting. Gustong tumingin ni i-check ni Paul yung place para kay Matli sa groomer. Para pag ano, puto kasi kailangan i-maintain yung buhok niya, putulin, yung kuko niya. So, ito yung nakita namin online na lugar. Papasukin namin. Tingnan natin yung mga services nila. Oh,
Hi. Wow,
hi.
thank you.
How are you?
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Very
Very good.
Real quick.
Turn them off with you.
December, we're going to be getting our puppy. It's a small multi-poop puppy.
Okay.
And we're looking for a groomer. And I'm guessing usually I think we're going to get the puppy at about 12 weeks.
Okay.
So I guess you really can't bring puppies to a groomer until like about 6 months, I guess.
I mean, not necessarily. I mean, you want to definitely, more than anything, start doing their vaccines and all that good stuff. Just
Well,
kinda get,
I have a vet to do all that.
right. So what I was going to say is once they, in my recommendation, in my opinion, from my experience in the veterinary world, it's good to have at least the second booster in place before you put them
No,
in an environment where
When,
there's gonna be a
before I
bunch of
get him,
doggies.
he's going to have his first shots. My vet, I think at 12 weeks, is going to give him the booster shots.
That's what I'm saying. The second after the second boosters, especially the Bordetella, then that would be a good time to go ahead and start doing the grooming
Okay,
stuff.
that's why they say kind of wait that long, just then meaning that you want them to have their second
You
booster.
just want their little immune systems to be as strong
Yeah.
and give them like a good chance to not get sick. We just don't want anything to happen.
Before you come like
Everybody's-
groomers or dog parks, etc.
Exactly. Definitely dog parks. Yeah.
I mean, yeah, it's closer to the house. Meron silang mga membership plan.
she seems knowledgeable.
Oh, yeah,
Not just for
she said she came from the vet place. So she kind of like, that's why she told us some recommendations of what to do first, like the fleas prevention para kay Matli sa grooming niya. Pag may membership din sila, parang nail spa din sa sa tao. May membership sila, may mga package, ganyan. That's good. So, monthly, may $35, may $45, may $65. So, ayan. Titingnan namin kung anong mga benefits ng ito. And then, siguro, try namin ang place na to. Kasi so far, malinis naman siya. Gusto siya ni Paul. You like the place, right?
Yeah.
You think it's clean?
Yep.
And the people seems nice too. And the lady seems very knowledgeable when it comes to puppies, right? So, Maltipo, kailangan nila talaga ng maintenance, guys. Kailangan na i-grooming, ganyan, for the rest of their life daw. So, medyo magastos-gastos din itong may tuta tayo. But, you know, itong isa, gustong-gusto talaga niya. So, ayun. Malapit na natin siyang pick upin. 2 linggo na lang ang pag-aantay. I wonder what's in here. Mga laruan. Are this his toys? Surprise! A lot of stuffing. Oh, there's a box with inside a box. Oh, okay, there's another box there too. What is this? Ayan sila guys, mga stuffing lang. Ato. Ayan. Okay. Unahin natin to kung anong laman nito. Masakit ang ulo ko.
Be careful when you cut that. Don't.
Okay. Bili ng bili ang dad ni Matli. You are Matli's dad. You're a good dad. Matli, I think Matli's gonna love you more than me. Ta-da! Oh, what is this? It says open carefully. It looks like a blanket or something. And here's a blanket. Ayan, ganda na siya. Oh, it's super soft. Oh my God. Look. Wala kang lambot. Ano ito? Where is this, honey? Bed. Oh, lala. Another labahin na naman para kay Matley. So, ito yung mga stuffing na para dito sa bed niya. Hindi pa natin malagay kasi kailangan ko itong labhan. It's a nice color. Very comfortable siya. Very soft. Pwede aso na lang ako. Buti pa ang aso. Alagang-alaga mo.
Then help me fluff them.
How do you fluff it? No, it says we have to leave this for 24 hours.
No, you fluff it first.
How do you fluff there?
Just like that.
They're already fluffed. Tutubo daw to, guys. Lalaki siya. Yeah, leave them in
Fluff that
bed.
one.
Ayan, magiging fluffy siya. We have to leave them for 24 hours para fully flop siya. Kasi na-flat siya doon sa package eh.
These don't get washed.
Yeah, just the bed. So, do you want me to wash this now together with the blanket?
No.
You ordered more? Oh my God, honey. So much stuff for Matley. So now, let's open this one, guys. Ay, ite. Ay, laruan. The interactive dog toy that giggles and bounces. Oh my God. So, parang bula. Oh! That's so funny. Oh my God. He's gonna love it, honey. Oh, you wanna put this back?
Yeah.
Put this in the bed. Kain muna ako, guys. Nagugutom talaga ako. Ayan. Ito yung pagkain na binili natin. From Mexican place. So far, crunchy. Bowl? That was supposedly a bowl?
Yeah.
Oh, and they gave me a burrito.
Yeah, burrito.
Wrong,
Maybe you'll like it.
wrong order, or she
No.
got the order wrong?
No, he forgot to make it burrito without which is a bowl.
Ah, naked burrito.
Maybe you'll like the burrito.
Let's
Try
try.
it.
You wanna have some?
No.
So, binigyan tayo ng burrito, guys. Mali ang order na binigay. Hatiin ko lang siya. Yan siya, guys. Pero may rice naman. Ayan siya. Ayan, guys. Looks good. Chicken ang sa loob. Black beans. Tapos, may rice. White rice. That's good. Masarap. Kakain lang ako, guys. Salamat sa panonood niyo. Mag-like and subscribe. Kita-kats tayo on my next vlog.